What if your AI agent can remember everything in just a single file? No database, no VectorDB, just a single file, and your AI agent will remember every detail of your conversations. Right now, building memory for AI agent is a painful task. VectorDB hosting, scaling, latency issue, building RAG pipeline or memory for AI agent is not easy. This is where Memvid come into the picture, a single file memory system for your AI agent or RAG pipeline. Before we move forward and understand a couple of use cases and platform itself, let's see a demo and I'll explain you what I meant by a single file memory for your AI agent. I am here on my project and you see here there is a .Clore folder and it has two files, mind.mv2 and mind.mv2.log file. If I open my terminal and start Clore instance and ask Clore instance like what we were discussing last and question mark and hit enter, you will see it will call a new skill mind.recent, and when I allow the skill to utilize its functionality, you can see it has fetched last 20 memories and figure out that in the last conversation we were doing this. I hope you understand the use case here. If I was using Clore without Memvid, then it was not possible for Clore to remember the previous conversation. But since I am using Memvid attached to my Clore instance, it can remember all the things we have done in the past conversation. Now, very quickly, let's understand how to set up Memvid on your Clore instance. First, you need to go to plugins. Here, if you click right arrow, you will see installed plugin, and one further right click will take you to marketplace. Here, you can click on add marketplace. So basically you want to add a new plugin from marketplace. When you hit that, you will be prompted to enter the marketplace plugin name, and the plugin name is Memvid/Clore-brain, and when you hit enter, it will install mind plugin for your Clore instance. Now you can very easily use this skill wherever you go, and when you add this Clore mind skill, it will create these two things into the .Clore folder. All the conversation memory is inside these two files. At this point, I would like to show you a really mind-blowing feature of Memvid. Let's say someone else from your team wants to work on the same project and it needs the memory of the AI agent that has built this project. What you can do is that you can copy these two files and send it over to the person who wants to work on this. The person in their computer create a .Clore file, paste these two files and use Clore, install the plugin, and boom, they will have all the memory of the agent that has built the project. How cool it is. Now let's look into a couple of other use cases how we can use Memvid. So Memvid has a platform called memvid.com. Here, once you log in, you can create memory and interact with those memory using Python and Node.js SDK. So let me show you how to create your memory. First, you select the project, then give your memory a name, let's say test demo, give a description. Then here it will ask you to allocate the storage to this memory. I'll select default 5 GB and hit create memory. Now this memory is created. If you view the memory, you will see there are a couple of ways with which you can interact with the memory. You will need Memvid API key and memory ID of the recently created memory. There is Node.js SDK, and there is Python SDK, and there is CLI as well. With this, you can create easily AI agents and rack pipeline memory and interact with it, put documents into the memory, retrieve information from the memory. At this point, you may have a question in your mind like, hey, is this worth using or not? To answer that, I would like to show you a couple of benchmarks on their documentation. First, they have this accuracy comparison where Memvid is leading all the major VectorDB provider. Then there is error reduction. You will see Memvid is at the bottom because it has less error rate compared to the VectorDB. Then there is this accuracy versus latency chart. You can see no other system except Memvid is able to achieve more than 95% accuracy at given latency. These are the few benchmarks that supports that Memvid works, and we have seen it in the Claude example that I have run in the initial part of the video. Before we wrap up this video, I would like to show you another platform called Clore. Clore.memvid.com. This platform is a chat interface based on top of Memvid. So Clore is backed by Memvid. Here you can chat with different models from Claude, OpenAI and Gemini, even Grok and other third-party Chinese models are supported as well. The benefit of using this platform is that the AI agent remembers all the conversations that you have done in the past with the AI. You can reference any previous conversation during the chat with the AI agent so that you don't have to navigate between different chat that you have done with the AI agent. I guess this is it from my side for this part of the video. I hope you have gained some knowledge out of this video, and now you understand there is a different kind of a single file based memory that replaces your vector database and provides consistent memory to your rack pipeline and AI agents. If you want to check out these two platforms, Clore and Memvid, then the link of these two platforms is in the description of the video. Finally, if you like the work that I put on my YouTube channel, consider subscribing to my channel. That helps. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the life, feel the music. Peace.